So my name is Sona Khalifeh. I work at Taziker as the head of FRP Solutions. So the company has been operating for over 50 years in the infrastructure industry. So we do a lot of bridges, building, scaffolding, painting and refurbishing steel structures, and now FRP. As part of the FRP Solutions division, we assemble and manufacture footbridges to go over the railway network. So what you see here is a sample of our legacy vision bridge. So the lattices that you see sandwich a polycarbonate sheet, and these were cut out on the CNC machine. The post lengths were cut on the radial arm saw, and these lattices actually slot in, which was actually done on the CNC machine as well. So this ensures accuracy all the way throughout. We're able to piece it like a giant mechano set. Our main focus was the length of the bed. So most of our sections that we use are between 3 to 10 meters. Most of them fall within under 3 meters, so this was the perfect choice because it's a 3-meter bed. The other machines we were looking at, they were made and fabricated in China. These are fabricated in Poland, so we are trying to contain it within Europe. So we process FRP, which is Fibre-Reinforced Polymer, and we use it to cut our sections, drill holes, cut out the lattices, so anything really that can fit on that bed goes on it. The key benefits is that we have increased accuracy, so you're eliminating that human error you can get by marking out, and it makes sure that everything is consistent, and it speeds up production massively. To put it into perspective, we used to get our lattices water jet cut, and once we got this, each lattice now only costs us about £2, whereas before it cost us 60. So we use Tekla, so we 3D model our bridges, and once you process it through Tekla, you can get DXF or DWG files, which we import directly on there, and we just program the cutting. It's been pretty good. We had a 2-day training course with one of the Dalton Watkins guys, and anytime I have a question, I email, and it gets answered within 5-10 minutes.